Have you ever thought about changing jobs? You probably have. And if you are an astrologer, you probably cast a chart to see what would happen. After all, that's what traditional astrology does. But it can do something else. I'm Levente László. I'm an astrologer, a translator of ancient astrological texts, and a historian of astrology. For about 20 years, I have been tracing astrological tools and techniques back to their origins, examining the astronomy and the astrological reasoning behind them, and asking which of them still hold together. I have put what survived to a single purpose: helping people decide. Here's what I mean. A friend of mine had a job offer and wanted to know what he would be walking into. So that's what we asked the chart. Not whether he would get it, he already had it, but what the work would feel like once the novelty wore off, who he would be dealing with, what he would be paid. In short, a road he hadn't walked yet, described while he could still choose whether he would like to walk it. What the chart showed was lukewarm, not a disaster, just thin. And he learned that a week before he had to answer. That's the method. Traditional horary tools rebuilt piece by piece. Some survived intact, some didn't. And one rule governs all of it. There must be something you can do to make a difference. If the outcome will be the same whatever you do, there is nothing to decide, and the method has nothing to show. I will be teaching this on the 26th of September. 4 sessions, each with practical exercises. We will open with my friend's chart and see what actually happened. Whether you've practiced horary for years or are comfortable only with the basics, you will leave able to use the method. Come and work through it with me.